Hello, my dear lovely students. I hope all of you are at home, safe, and happy with your family. Enjoying these days with your family, learning new things, and also studying. I also hope that all of you must have understood the chapter Plant Kingdom. Let's quickly revise what we were studying in this chapter Plant Kingdom. We read that the plant kingdom is all about different kinds of plant. The plants are defined as different kind on the basis of their shapes and sizes, on the basis of the places where they grow, wherever they grow, in the area, what kind of plant they are, on the basis of their length, their height, that is all come under their shapes. So let's quickly revise them. Plants as per their shapes are divided into 5 categories. Number 1, trees. Example of trees were mango, coconut, apple, banyan. Then next is shrubs, number 2, which were big plants with hard stem. Example were rose. Then third were herbs. The example were grass, spinach, mint. Then fourth were climbers. These were weak that climbed. Example were money plant, pea plant. Then the fifth one was creepers. It was weak that grow along the ground. Example were watermelon, pumpkin and cucumber. Next were the plant as per their growing places. Plants as per their growing places. For example, rose, mango, tulsi. Then that grow on land. These all were the plants that grow on land. Then let's see the plants that grow on that grow in water, like lotus, water lily, hydrilla. Then next is desert, that grow in desert. Plants that grow in desert were cactus. Then next, the plants that grow on mountains, high on the mountains. You remember I gave you an example of the Christmas tree. It grows in the cold places, especially on the mountains. Similarly, pines and deodar. I also hope you all have done these difficult words and learn them with the spelling. Okay. So, kindly complete all the work so that I can take it when the school reopens. Now, we'll do the exercises. Today, we'll do the exercises. The exercises for the chapters are going to be discussed today. When we will complete this discussion, I am sending you these pages. You will do fill in the blanks, match the following and true false in whichever copy you were doing the work. Rough copy, old copy, any kind of copy, in whichever you are doing the work, you will continue the science work by doing fill in the blanks, match the following and true false in the copy. Now let's discuss the exercises and the answers. So first is take the correct option. Take the correct option. Very small plant that have soft stem. Very small plants that have soft stems. So there are 4 options: herbs, shrubs, trees and climbers. So which one are the very soft stem plants? Small plants with very soft stem? Yes, the correct answer is herbs. Next is this plant creeps on the ground. Creeps mean the creepers. So which plant? There are 4 options: jackfruit, watermelon, rose, pineapple. What is the correct answer? Yes, watermelon. Next, this plant takes support from other plants or stick to climb. So which one takes support to climb? Yes, the answer are climbers. So which one is the climber? Is people, grass or mint? No, these all are not climbers. Which one is the climber? Money plant. The answer is money plant. Next, number 4. Cotton plant is a shrub. Very good. Next, this plant lives for a season. Now, which plant lives for only one season? Do you remember? We have read. Which plant lives for only one season? Trees live for one season? No. Then herbs or shrubs? No, shrubs do not live for one season. The herbs live for one season. The shrubs live for few years. You remember, tree lives for many years. Shrubs lives for few years, but herbs live only for only for one season. Now let's see what are the example. Is mango example of herb? No. Guava? No. Rubber plant? No. So what is the rice? Yes. So rice is a plant live for one season or live for a season. Now next exercise is fill in the blanks with the word given in the bracket. Big plant that live for many years are called trees. Very good. You see there are two options. You have to take the one option. While writing in the copy, you need not to write the options. You need not to write the options. You can directly write the answers. Okay. You will do this work in whichever copy you are doing the previous work. You will continue in that. Need not to buy a new copy or this copy that. नहीं. जिसमें आप अभी तक काम कर रहे हो आप उसी में कंटिन्यू करोगे. ठीक है. You can easily use your old copies. Spinach plant is a herb. What it is a spinach plant? It is a herb. Mango plant is a tree. Hydrilla plant grows in water. Dash is a creeper. What is a creeper? Is watermelon a creeper or grapevine? No, grapevine is an example of climber. So what is left? Watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper. Now match the following. What is the question? Match the following. Lotus. Lotus. So is lotus a climber? No. Is it a herb? No. Is lotus a water plant? Yes. Lotus is a water plant. Now let's see the next option. Banyan. Banyan is a climber? No. Is it a herb? No. Water plant? No. Water plant is for lotus. So what is the next option? Tree. So banyan is a tree. Next is money plant. Money plant is a climber. Very good. Grass. Grass is a herb. Very good. Cactus. Cactus is a mountain plant or a desert plant? Yes, my dear children, it is a mountain plant or a desert plant? Yes, cactus is a desert plant. Next, pine. Pine is a mountain plant? Yes, the only option left is mountain plant. So, pine is a mountain plant. Now, the last exercise is write true, write T for true and F for false. Here are the 5 statements. You will read these statements. You will read these statements and you will do the answers on your own. Okay? You will take help from your parents and now true and false you will do on your own. And you will do fill in the blanks, match the following and true and false in your copy. Okay? For example, one true and false I am telling you. A tulsi plant is a climber. Is tulsi plant a climber? No, it is false. So, it is, you will write F. Most plants are green in color. It is true. So, you will write true. Like this, you will do all true and false. Fill in the blanks and match the following in the copy. And rest exercise, you can prepare on your own. You can learn. Now, for tomorrow, next class, I am giving the questions. You will read the questions. You will try to find the answers. Then, I will give you the question and answers of this chapter. By this, I hope you will do well and study hard. With this, see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Okay? Bye.